Hello, bachcho. Let us look into the process. The process says that in which of the following reaction of glycolysis, a molecule of water is removed from the substrate. So these are the processes given to us, and the key concept that we would be discussing is that it is glycolysis. Under the process of glycolysis, there are certain steps around. There are 10 steps in total. And when we see these steps, the first product is glucose. Now glucose breaks down to form fructose, or you can in the presence of hexokinase. This is glucose 6-phosphate. Furthermore, we'll be adding some more steps of the glycolysis. Now, this glucose 6-phosphate, it will be forming fructose 6-phosphate, and here isomerase will be present, so isomerism will take place. After this formation of fructose 6-phosphate, one phosphate will be added and it will be forming fructose 1 bis, or you can say 1,6, because it is at the same position, it will be 1,6-phosphate. Apart from that, when we talk about this fructose bisphosphate under the presence of aldolase, they form two compounds, that is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which forms the isomerism with DHAP. It is also isomer of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which stands for dihydroxy acetone phosphate. Now, since two molecules are formed, we take up only this as an example of it. Now moving further, what we will see is that the formation of 1,3 bisphosphate bisphosphoglycerate is taking place. After that, we see that after this step, the formation of 3-phosphoglycerate, and after that the phosphate position is changed to 2-phosphoglycerate. And at this position, when the formation of 2-phosphoglycerate take place in the presence of enolase, the removal of water take place. And after the 2-phosphoglycerate in the presence of enolase, it changes to PEP, which is phosphoenol pyruvate, P or phosphoenol pyruvate. Now this phosphoenol pyruvate gets converted to pyruvate, which is a end product of this glycolysis. So we see that the step at which it is formed, we see that it is formed at this step. So we can conclude that water released is at this stage. Hope you all understood. All the best.